Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope we're all doing well. Alright, so in this video today, I'm going to be harvesting my carrots, that I've been growing in the pot. Alright, so I'm trying to explain the whole point of doing it like this is to show you that we can grow, our vegetables, in pots and stuff like that. We may not get a big harvest, like if we had a big field, but we may get enough sufficient enough that we can enjoy our harvest. If we want more, we just simply do more pots, So they'll be, ready roughly about the same time. As you know, these I just basically just fed them with the coffee granules, get them some worm castings, to try to grow them as organically as possible. So we're going to see how they look today, guys. If you check out the growing the carrot in a pot video, you'll see where we're coming from with these. All right. So yeah, today's finally, harvest day. Let's see what's under here, guys. All right. They didn't grow very long from what I'm seeing here. But we'll keep going. Pulling out this first few, they don't really look very long. Perhaps they could be growing a bit longer. I don't think so. They've been in here long enough that they should have, turned into carrots, should we say. But nevertheless, guys, we have to be happy with what we get. You know what I mean? They're still carrots. We can still use them, still make them into a meal. And the most important thing as well is these are grown organically. I will try to pull out the big ones and then maybe... Yeah, we're doing good, guys. We're doing good. So that one is the top one. Oh, well, this one gave some size. This is more like it. This is more what I was expecting them to basically look like, guys, to be honest. More like this. But these are good too. Remember, I don't really give these any kind of fertilizers. I just really let them grow. Let them grow to their own devices. There's this here. Once we finish harvesting these guys, we're gonna start all over again. Literally use the same soil, because the soil is organic. You know what I mean? So we ain't gonna keep, harvesting, keep turning back the soil. Sorry, we don't have to keep replacing the soil, sorry. We can keep harvesting from the same soil. Yeah, man. Carrots grown in a pot, guys. I don't know if it's the genetics of these carrots, why they've grown so short, I'm not sure. Right, this seems to be the last of it. What we're gonna do, guys, we're simply just gonna be, just give the soil a small little massage, just to loosen the top area for where the new seeds are gonna come. Right, so let's just put this aside for now. But guys, I cannot be disappointed because at the end of the day, I still see carrots. These, you'll be able to use them, still be able to use them in your cooking, salads. When you do your things, you'll be able to do them in that. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just basically just take the top off. Just twist it off like that. There's the tops, which I'll be dropping it over in the compost. So I'm gonna go and give them a quick rinse. Then we'll be able to have a closer look at, what we've harvested, guys. Just give me a minute on that. Right guys, we want to give them a rinse. And like I say, when I look at it, I see carrots, you know what I mean? Let's give this little small one a little bite. Crunchy, sweet. So I believe the effort was worth it, guys. Right, so I'm gonna rest this here for now. What we're gonna do is we'll do the harvest again, guys. Let me finish chewing this. Right, so I got these carrots there. They're called Ruta Rising 2. So I believe they might have been the same carrots I grew the first time, I'm not sure. So just simply sprinkle it on top, guys. Just like that, evenly. And if too much of them come up, you can always thin them out. The idea is to try to be, you know, semi-self-sufficient with your food. When you grow your food like this, guys, it's very, very nutritious. Like I said, organic food, you know, there's no chemicals, you know, there's nothing in there. All you're eating is literally the seed and the soil that you prepared. And the fertilizers that you put in there, which is obviously going to be on an organic nature. Alright, so then I'll just give it a little, you know, shake up like this, just to make sure all the seeds are kind of covered. And then I just give it a gentle press to make sure that the seeds are in contact with the soil. Alright guys, so this is basically the harvest, the sowing, and obviously the next step will be the harvest, guys. So, you know, it's very simple for us to grow our own food, you know what I mean? It takes a little effort, I know, it does take a little effort, but with a little bit of patience and perseverance, guys, you will get results. It may not be big and plentiful, it may not be, you know, like I'm saying to you, the biggest carrots you get, but you will get carrots, and these carrots you'll use, and trust me, they're the sweetest carrots that you'll ever eat once you grow your own. So on that one, guys, I'll say, live well, and together we grow.